Hey everyone, and welcome to the virtual tour of Sana Commerce. In this video tutorial I will tell you about some of the shipping settings, to be more precise about how to set up the default shipping costs and manage the fields of the customer shipping address. So let's start. To access shipping settings in Sana Admin, click Setup and then Ordering and Checkout. Under the Shipping tab, you can set up the default estimated shipping costs and configure fields that should be used in the customer's shipping address. At first, let's take a look at the default estimated shipping cost configuration. The default shipping cost is shown in the web store on the basket page for anonymous users, or when shipping methods are not available. The configuration of the default shipping cost is very simple. You should enter the default shipping cost per currency, amount including tax and amount excluding tax. The list of currencies that you see here is retrieved from the ERP system. When a customer places an order in the web store, the appropriate price is retrieved depending on whether the price including tax is enabled or disabled for the customer in your ERP system. Let's go further and talk about customer shipping address settings. So, here you can manage which fields should be used in the shipping address form of the B2C customers and business customers. When a customer places an order in the web store, a customer should specify the shipping address. Therefore, Sana Commerce provides a possibility to manage fields that should be used in the customer's shipping address. Well, the way of how you can manage shipping address fields for B2C and B2B customers is the same. You can add, edit, and remove different fields that should be used in the shipping address. The only difference is that for B2B customers and sales agents, you can allow or forbid entering the custom shipping address manually in the web store. B2B customers can have several shipping addresses coming from the ERP system and can manually enter the custom shipping address if allowed, while B2C customers always enter the shipping address manually in the web store. Add the fields that should be used in the shipping address form. These fields that can be used in the shipping address in the web store are retrieved from your ERP system. Then you should select the editor. This is the type of the field, whether this field should be a text box where a customer can manually enter some information, a drop-down list with some options, or a read-only text field. If a field is of a text box type, in the max length field you can define how many characters can be entered in the field. If a field uses drop-down list, in the options area you can add values that will be used in the drop-down list. You can also enter the default value for the field. Then, specify whether the field is optional or required, and make it visible in the web store. Such fields as customer name, country and state are mandatory and cannot be removed from the shipping address. The state field is shown in the web store only for the countries with states. You can also change the order of the shipping address fields simply by dragging and dropping them. In the web store, the fields of the shipping address form are shown in the same order as they are set in Sana Admin. Watch also another video tutorial that demonstrates configuration of the shipping methods. Well, that's it, and I hope you will evaluate flexibility which Sana gives you to manage your web store. Sana takes care of your online business.